Honestly, I'd rather not be doing this tonight, but that's how it is sometimes. Don't want to do it tomorrow, so tonight is the night. As you can see, I'll turn the water off. When you turn it to perpendicular to the tube, then that's most part means it's off. Whenever you turn it toward the tube where it's in line with it, parallel, then it's usually on. And you just unloosen these. It may make like a sound, but it's a turn. See, there you go. Just a little bit of sound. I got this little bucket here just in case. I just don't want to have to get up no water tonight. I took that one off. Screwing this one. Somebody did this and hold the camera. I gotta do better. Okay, so far just 6 screws, 3 at the top. Pull that off, and I believe it's just you pull it back, and it opens up and slides. You just pull it back. I believe it lifts up or slides up, just like that. I was wondering why it move around like that. So I think I need a new strut or something down there, sort of, so it won't be like. Anyways, I digress. Let me take this off and finish it up. One thing I like to do is, I see these ones on the left are black, ones on the right are clear, but I don't want to mix that up either. So the clear one's here, and I put a mark on each one. Oh yeah, so there I go. Now I know which way to match them up, because I'll be forgetting sometimes. Got those disconnected. Just the one screw in the back. Maybe water in here, seemed like it would, so I'm gonna just hold it up like this. Use the pliers, unclamp this, slide this out, slide the new one in, and put it back on in reverse. Okay, got the new one in. Just clamp that right there, and then remember I made the marks right there. So that's the right one, that's the left, that's the 0, that's the 1. You don't hook up the wrong ones, because then you're trying to wash them cold, it'd be hot, you know. Anyway, so that's pretty much that. So I'm gonna put it back in and be done with the washing machine. Oh yeah, I'm gonna attach the hoses. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just in case, let's use some pliers. I already got the water off. I'm gonna take those off and then put on the new ones. I got to show you this, everything hooked up. Water's on. Just back here making sure there's no leaks. Anything wet. Trying to make sure I don't miss anything. I think I'm gonna go ahead and run a load to make sure that I don't got any leaks. Anyways, I shortened this. It was just way too long. It was getting bunched up under there. So now I'm gonna just bend this down like that, and then have that push this back here and connect it. And that concludes the tutorial. I will go ahead and check them out, but it's done. That is the sound of the hot water on. See this on hot? And it is actually water coming out.